Hey guys, what's up? It's me, Elise. Welcome back to our channel. I hope you guys are all doing well. So I have a new wig from Beauty Forever, and if you guys are interested, I'll be sure to have all the details and information located in the info section below. So here is everything that I received with my wig, and yeah, let's go ahead and get into it. So I decided to pick up this brand new wig, and it's called the Everything Lace Frontal Wig. Have you guys ever heard of this wig before? Because I was like, what is this? So I decided to go ahead and give it a try. Now the texture that I have is this gorgeous body wave, and my wig is 24 inches long. As you guys can see, it does have that 13 by 4 inch pre-cut, pre-taped zigzag hairline lace. They also give you a few extra pieces of tape so you can go ahead and apply it yourself. This wig also has that new dome cap wig construction, making the wig installation comfortable and personalized to fit our needs. The hairline is pre-plucked, the knots are pre-bleached, and the only thing that I really needed to do was apply a little bit of foundation to the lace because it is that transparent lace, and I always have a hard time with it because it really doesn't match my skin tone. But I went ahead, applied some foundation, and yeah, we are ready to go. I'm gonna go ahead and install the removable adjustable elastic band just to give me a nice personalized customized fit. And let's go ahead and get this wig on to see what we're working with.
You like man grabbing the blunt, not too much down on the bus. Boy humble so I never really fuss. Just show out when you show up and give me the, 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 and I'll give you the.
Okay, so now you guys can see where the tape strips are located. They're kind of located where the sideburn area are. I'm going to go ahead and remove the backing of the tape and go ahead and press that down into my skin. Now you guys can kind of still see a little bit of the adhesive poking through. My advice would be to apply the tape strips yourself, but be sure to apply a little bit of foundation underneath where the tape strips are, just to kind of give that adhesive area a fluid skin tone appearance. So now I'm going to go ahead and pull out a little bit of baby hairs and go ahead and get those laid. So I'm going to use a little bit of my Got2b glue just along the front perimeter, and then I'm going to go ahead and apply my edge band just to get that nice and melted down. Now I'm just going to apply a little bit of my wax stick, get the very top of the wig nice and flat. Now I'm going to go ahead and fix up the curls to make them look nice and uniformed. Okay, you guys, so this is what this wig is looking like. Y'all, this hair is so incredibly so soft, and I just can't keep my hands out of it. I didn't get any tangles, any snags, very minimal shedding. Now this is just a quick 360 on what the curls look like. So this wig already came pre-styled. Now you can really go in and refresh up the curls. I just kind of added some new curls to the very front of the wig because I did develop some frizz. However, nothing really needs to be done. Now I'm just applying a little bit of foundation to the lace area just to get it to blend in better with my skin tone, just because I did notice that it was looking a tad bit light. Now with this wig, it does have that 13 by 4 inch lace parting space, so you can get a nice deep side part or a nice curved side part. I'm just letting you guys see exactly how much lace you get, because I know with a lot of these wear and go wigs, you only get about 7 by 5 inches of parting space, but they give you a ton of parting space with this one. So now I decided to kind of give you guys a quick little style, just my go-to everyday look. I love to just kind of pin my hair up and out of my face just to kind of make it look super effortless. It's great for running errands, it's great for going to church. It looks very effortless, and I just kind of wanted to give you guys just a quick little style. But yeah, definitely let me know what you guys think about these new pre-everything lace frontal wigs. I think that is such a cool idea, being that there's so many of you guys who are beginners or who do not really know how to customize your lace wigs, and these wigs pretty much cuts out a lot of that complex detailed work and time, making it super easy just to throw on and go. And for that, I think that it is genius. But I wanted to let you guys see exactly how to remove these wigs and how easy it is. I'm just taking a pre-soaked alcohol wipe and I'm applying it just right underneath where the tape strips are, and you guys can see how easily they just come straight up. It's not tearing out any of my edges or anything like that. You guys can also use olive oil or coconut oil. Beauty Forever also gives you guys a few extra tape strips so you guys can apply them all over the lace if you choose to. Now I'm letting you guys see exactly how easy the tape strips come off of the lace. It doesn't cause any damage or anything like that. It just comes right off, and you can apply some extra strips to the lace as you go. But once again, let me know what you guys think, and I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye guys.